Students, this is class number 39. So look at this, remember the following. So you take a circle. So this is angle theta. You represent angle by theta. Radius of the circle as r. You take length of this arc as L. ಈ ಆರ್ಕಿನ ಉದ್ದ L ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. This is radius of the circle. This is angle theta. So from this L is equal to r theta. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Length of the arc. Length of the arc of a circle. Length of the arc of a circle is always equal to r theta. So you remember this formula, it is useful. Proof is not there in your syllabus. Proof ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕೆ. What is the length of any arc? ಯಾವುದೇ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಆರ್ಕಿನ ಉದ್ದ ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ? r into theta. r is radius, theta is angle generated by arc length. Second point, area of the sector OAP. So OAP, area of sector. So area of sector is, remember this formula also. Here we have a sector. Look at the sector. The area of this sector, so is given by half r square theta. What is the area of any sector in a circle? It is always half r square theta. You remember this formula also, useful. Proof is not there, so not required. Not there means why should I go for proving that? Not required. Now let us go for solving problems. Next question is convert. So next question is convert 6 radians into degree measure. So degree measure. ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪೈ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ is equal to 180 degree. Pi radians is equal to 180 degree. ನಾನು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. If it is required to convert radians, you calculate 1 radian. If it is required to change degrees ಅನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ 1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ 1 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ how much is 1 radian? Directly 1 radian, bring this down. So 180 by pi degree. So ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ 1 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ 1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ. Here it is asked to change 6 radians into degrees. Multiply both sides by 6. Multiply by 6. 6 into 1 radian. 6 radians. 6 into 180 by pi means 22 by 7 or 3.14. You take whatever you like. So 22 by 7. So into degrees. Simplify this. So reverse it. 7 goes to numerator. 7 goes to numerator. 6 into 7 into 180 by 22 degree. Is that correct, students? 6 into 180, 7 goes to numerator, 22. Use your calculator and divide. So use your calculator and divide. So right. And now students, simplify this. Multiply these numbers using calculator and go for dividing by 22. So the product of these three numbers should be, so right, use your calculator. 7560 by 22. So degrees. Multiply these three numbers. On multiplying these three numbers, we will get. So you will get 7560 by 22. Again you go for dividing. On dividing this number by 22, you will get 343.6363 so on. I will get 64. So degrees. This is how a radians. This is how radians can be converted into degrees. Madidre barutte madi. So let us go for one more question. Let us move on to next question. So look at this simple question, students. Find the radian measure of the following degree measures. So here it is given in terms of degrees. We need to change degrees into radians. Degrees ಅನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ 1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ 1 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So first one, solution. Pi radians is equal to 180 degree. By head that pi radians is equal to what? 180 degree. I need to change degrees into radians. From this you calculate 1 degree. 180 calculate pi by 180 radians. So right now 25 degree has to be changed. 25 degree has to be changed. Multiply both sides by 25. So multiply by 25. So 25 into 1 degree, 25 degree. So 25 into pi by 180 radians. Simplify this. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15. 5 6 are. Is that correct, students? 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 36 radians. 5 pi by 36. 5 5s are 25. Yes, correct. 5 pi by 36 radians. We converted 25 degree into what? Radians. Similarly, you go for converting one more. You know, Madi. This is first one. Second one. So multiply by 240. Multiply both sides by 240. So 240 into 1 degree. So 240 degree equals 240 into pi by 180 radians. So 0 0 get cancels. 3 6 or 6 divide by 6. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are correct. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. Tell me in terms of radians. 4 pi by 3 radians. I hope you understood, students. Here is one more question, students. Surely they are going to ask one more question of this type. ಈ ತರದ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ, ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳೋದು ಅವನು. So convert radian into degrees. Find degree measures of corresponding to the following radian measures. Radian measures are being given. You need to convert these radian measures into degree measures. First one you take that solution. It is so easy. 3 pi by 2. So 3 into, you all know that very well. Pi radians is nothing but 180 degree. So 180 degree by 2. So divide by 2. So 3 into 180 by 2, 90 degree. So 90 degree. 90 degree into 3, 270 degree. 9 3s are 27. So 270 degree. We converted radian into degrees. Second one. 5 pi by 3. 5 pi by 3. 5 into pi again. Pi means 180 degree. Pi radian, suppose pi andre 180 degree. Substitute. So 180 degree by 3. 5 into divide 3 6 3 6 divide 180 degree by 3. 3 6 60 degree. 60 degree. 60 degree into 5. 300 degree. Is that correct? So write 6 5 30. 0. 300 degree. 300 degree. Next question. 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6. 7 into pi means 180 degree. 180 degree by 6. 7 into 180 degree by 6. 6 3s are 30 degree. 30 degree. Correct. 180 by 6. 30 degree. Now multiply. 7 3s are 2 1 degree. 2 10 degree. So 2 10 degree. I hope you understood. So last problem is 5 pi by 4. 5 into pi by 4. 5 into 180 degree by 4. 180 by 4. 45. 4 divides 180 degree by 45 times. 5 into 45 degree. Multiply. Multiply. So 5 5s are 25. 225 degree. Correct? It is 225 degree. I hope you understood, students. ಈ ಥರದ್ದು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇವನ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ. ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಅಂದವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ us go for one more question. So look at this one more simple question. Find the radius of the circle in which central angle generated at the center of the circle is given 60 degree. Intercept and arc length given 37.4 centimeter. Theta given, theta is 60 degree. So arc length L given 37.4 centimeter. Now tell me here R required. So find the radius required. Radius is question mark. So tell me formula related to these three quantities, students. L is equal to R theta. Easy. So L is equal to R theta. Substitute. L is 37.4 centimeter. So write centimeter. So R radius required. Theta is 60 degree. 60 degree. Right. So now radius required 37.4 centimeter by 60 degree. Is it possible to divide? Is it possible to divide? So 37.4 centimeter by degrees. Centimeter na degree ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಯಾವುದು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ? ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ pi by 3 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ pi by 3 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ pi by 3 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So 37.4 centimeter. So by 60 degree pi by 3 radians. ನೀವು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬರಿದೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್. ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಟು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೊ pi means reverse it. 3 into on reversing 3 goes to numerator. 3 goes to numerator. 3 into 37.4. 3 into 37.4. So pi centimeter. Pi value ಹೇಳಿ. So 3.14 or 22/7. Substitute for that pi. So 3 into 37.4 pi by 22/7. So 22/7 centimeter. Reverse it, students. R equals radius R equals 3 into 37.4. 7 goes to numerator by 22 centimeter. So multiply and divide. You use your calculator. I think you are going to get final answer is. So right. ಇವೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 22 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So you will get 35.7 centimeter. So is that correct? 35.7 centimeter. This is the radius of the circle. I hope you understood, students. So right. Okay, students. Did you understand this? I hope you understood this very well. So you practice, and practicing you can learn anything. Okay, students, let us stop this class. So in the next class I will explain still more problems. Right.